Start recording. All right. For problem 43, we need to find the inverse of the function and state its domain. So with the inverse, we need to switch the x's and the y's. So here, our step one is to just replace f of x with y. Y is equal to the ln of 4 minus 2x. The next step is to switch the x's and the y's. So that's step one. For step two, we rewrite x is equal to the ln of 4 minus 2y. The next step is to solve for y. So to do that, what I'm going to do is know that ln is log base e. So if it helps you out for me to write that out, I'll write it out as x is equal to the log base e of 4 minus 2y. And I'm solving for y. So what I do to get 4 minus 2y out of that log term is to swoosh the logarithm. The base of an and we swoosh the logarithm into an exponential function. The base of an exponential function is the base of the logarithm. So this is log base e. So the base of the exponential function is e. Then you swoosh across the equal sign. So e, swoosh, there it is, to the x power. E to the x power is going to be equal to, and we're going to swoosh back across the equal sign. Swoosh, there it is, 4 minus 2y. So e to the x equals 4 minus 2y. Now we can solve, now we just need to isolate y to find the inverse function, okay? So, step 5, e to the x minus 4 is equal to negative 2y. And then step 6 is divide each side by negative 2. Y is going to be equal to e to the x minus 4 over negative 2. And so that last step is to replace it with inverse notation. F to the negative 1 of x is equal to e to the x minus 4 over negative 2, or negative e to the x plus 4 divided by positive 2. It's the same thing, but both could turn up as multiple choice answers. So, all right. Now, as far as the domain, there's no situation where you divide by 0. No situation where you take the square root of a negative. And there's no situation where you're potentially taking the log of 0 or the log of a negative. And because there's no situations that restrict the domain is from negative infinity to infinity. All right. So that is problem 43. Hope that helps out.